Hi, I'm Gary Essling, Product Marketing Specialist from Raven. Today I'd like to talk to you about our Raven AccuFlow systems. Raven AccuFlow coolers have been the market leader since 1983 when it comes to measuring and converting anhydrous ammonia from gas to liquid and getting an accurate measurement so we can get that desired application in the field. Now I'd like to talk to you about a few of the options that we have. The first is the AccuFlow Vortex 1-inch. The Vortex 1-inch replaces the old 30-gallon per minute cooler, but it has some of the extra options that we didn't have with the old Vortex 30-gallon per minute. First of all, the capacity is 30 plus gallons per minute, and it also provides you with a bleed down system we provide with the Vortex system. That's the system where we can stand in front of the toolbar while being upwind, open a bleed valve, and it bleeds out the back end of the toolbar. And when you're totally away from any vapor when it comes to bleeding the system down. It also provides a secondary bleed valve at the plumbing right near the flow meter, so we get rid of any residual anhydrous that could be there as well. The other nice thing we have is the groove lock fittings for the flow meter. Now, in the old system, we had to use 2 pipe wrenches with NPT threads to get the system loose to service the flow meter. With the new groove lock system, all we need is a 7/8 socket. We take it loose and we can get at that flow meter much quicker and efficiently. The next option is the regular Vortex system. It's got an 1.5-inch valve and up to 50 gallons per minute capacity. This replaces and provides more capacity than the old dual cooler system where we took 2 old 30-gallon per minute coolers and put them together. And finally, the last system is the HP Plus system. This is where we add a pump that is controlled by a product controller, and we can provide pressure within the system. Now, this provides up to 80 gallons per minute capacity, which is more than most people need. But by the same time, and what I feel is the most important, is it provides standard pressure even in colder conditions. We know what happens when temperature drops. The temperature in the tank drops, and you have to drive 2 to 3 to 4 miles an hour slower, something nobody wants to do. With a pump, we can equalize the pressures in the system and maintain that same ground speed and application rate, whether it is 60 degrees or in the 30-degree range. This is really important if you have a custom application toolbar, and covering acres in a day is a very important feature for you. Finally, we go to the stainless steel cooler. For those of you who use nitrogen stabilizers and put them in your tank rather than using direct injection, we all know some nitrogen stabilizers are very corrosive to metal parts. That is why we provide a stainless steel Vortex version, which has stainless steel inner parts, which increases the longevity of the inner parts and the cooler itself. These are all features we provide through our AccuFlow system. If you have any more questions, go to your Raven dealer to find out what's best for you.